3, 2, 1, action. Top of the morning, my fellow mortals. It is 6 a.m. at UCLA. Hello, so today I'm going to teach you about something called the imaginary number. Okay, what is the imaginary number? Well, it's basically, okay, so we got real numbers, which are like 1.2, 7.5, -8. However, imaginary number, which is basically just symbolized as I, is equal to the square root of -1. I know you tried to solve it, but you can't because it's not a real number. So, okay, so what is this? Well, why can't we take the square root of -1? Well, that's actually because if we multiply two negative numbers, we get a positive number. If we multiply two positive numbers, we get also a positive number. So there's no way to get a negative number by multiplying any two numbers. Okay, so I'm going to tell you some cool properties about the imaginary number, or I. Okay, so let me write it over here. I to the first square root of -1, I squared is equal to -1. I cubed is equal to -I to the fourth is equal to 1. So I to the fifth is equal to I. It goes in a loop, as you can see. I to the first power is equal to I to the fifth power. Wait, yeah, so yeah, it goes in a loop. Now, before I wrap up the video, I want to tell you one last cool property about the imaginary number. Okay, so again, we got, okay, so we write this quickly. I squared is equal to -1, and then I'm going to skip I to the third because we won't use it in this equation. Okay, so this is a really cool paradox of I. So I to the first is square root of -1, I squared is -1, I to the fourth is 1. So does that mean I is equal to the fourth root of I to the fourth, right? Yeah, so that means I is equal to the fourth root of 1. So I is equal to 1. It's a paradox. It's absolutely not equal to 1, but by using actual mathematical, by making a mathematical proof, we can prove that I equals 1, but it doesn't because 1 times 1 is not -1, it's 1. So, yeah, so I think the reason for this is because I is not a real number, so that means it kind of has like weird and strange, really cool properties. Thank you so much for watching, my fellow mortals. End of the morning. Not really.